Hi everyone, I'm Shazaad. Welcome to the game drive. Let's go and look for some animals. Good morning everybody. So we're in Tsavo East National Park and we've come across a lovely herd of elephants which are about to cross the Galana River. So interesting. You can see the matriarch right in the front and the little ones, oh, they're starting to take a dip, and there's looks like an adult which is also right at the back, has also decided to go for a swim, and the second last one looks like he's about to take a poop. Oh yeah, with the tail extended out like that. Well, at least the fish in the Galana River will be happy. There's a lot of tilapia and catfish as well. The water doesn't look too deep, seems to be about 2 feet, maybe less, about a foot. Oh, the little ones, they're really enjoying. It's such a hot day and they're having such a great time just cooling off, taking a swim. Little elephants are just so adorable. And the matriarch in the front. Oh, you can see actually the two females, the two adults, are actually tuskless. They have no tusks. So it could be different reasons for that. Could be either genetic or they could have broken off. And they're almost reaching across to the other side. Well, there are hippos and there are crocodiles, and the matriarch obviously is trying to stay in front and just keep an eye out, making sure that the little ones are close behind. They're getting a little bit excited now that they're reaching the end. Oh, he fell into a little hole there. Ah, they're just having too much fun. Where are you going? Are you going to run back to the front? We're just happy being at the back. He's so happy though. He's shaking his little trunk about. It's incredible. Oh, they are trying to catch up with the ones in the front now. Come on. Stick together, stick together. Awesome. Really awesome.